Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for Beginners, Vocabulary, Lesson 3. Cognate Word Tips, from English to French. Conseils sur les mots apparentés, de l'anglais vers le français. These vocabulary tips will help you instantly learn thousands of French words. Cognate words are nothing but words from two languages that are the same or similar. Because English borrows many words from Latin, there are a lot of words that are similar in English and French. Many of these follow simple rules based on the word endings that allow you to have a French vocabulary of thousands of words in a minute. Rule number 1. English adjectives that end in AL are usually the same in French. However, this rule does not apply to words ending in ICAL, which follow a different cognate rule. Words ending in LL are usually adjectives. Okay, so I'm going to read the French part. Animal, central, final, idéal, international, mental, original. Rule number 2. Règle 2. English words that end in ANCE are usually the same in French. These words are often feminine nouns. Distance, arrogance, importance, intolérance, persévérance, substance, ambulance, finance. Rule number 3. Règle 3. English words that end in ARY are usually the same in French, but they change to AIRE. These words can be either adjectives or nouns. Examples: anniversaire, dictionnaire, imaginaire, salaire, vocabulaire. Rule number 4. Règle 4. English words ending in IST change to ISTE in French. These words are adjectives and they keep the same ending for masculine and feminine. Examples: touriste, dentiste, artiste, cycliste, pessimiste. Rule 5. Règle 5. English words that end in BLE are usually the same in French. These words are generally adjectives. Examples: adorable, flexible, horrible, impossible, visible. Rule 6. Règle 6. Nouns ending in TION in English generally have the same ending in French and are feminine nouns. Examples: information, conversation, tradition, station, célébration. Rule 7. Règle 7. English words that end in CT are usually the same in French and can be nouns or adjectives. Examples: correct, contact, respect. So here we don't read the T. Respect, direct, impact. Rule 8. Règle 8. English words that end in ENT are usually the same in French. These words can be nouns or adjectives. Examples: président, urgent, client, différent, monument. Rule 9, règle 9. English words ending in ICAL change to IQUE in French, and they are often adjectives. Examples: électrique, critique, identique, pratique, typique. Rule 10, règle 10. English words ending in ENCE have the same ending in French. These words are usually feminine nouns. Examples: science, violence, expérience, intelligence, patience. So this is our summary table. Okay, so generally if you have an English adjectives ending with AL, you will have the same adjective in French. Okay, if you have a noun ending with ANCE in English, generally it will be the same noun in French, and this noun will be a feminine noun. If you have an adjective or noun sometimes ending with ARY in English, you will get the same noun in French, but that ARY will change to AIRE to get them in French. Okay, and these words can be adjectives or nouns. If you have an adjective in English ending with IST in, then you will get the same adjective in French, but we are going to add an extra E. If you have adjectives ending with BLE in English, you will get the same adjective in French. If you have noun ending with TION in English, you will get the same noun in French, but this noun can be feminine in French. If you have adjectives ending with CT in English, you will get the same adjective in French. If you have noun or adjective ending with ENT in English, you will get the same nouns and adjectives in French. If you have adjective ending with ICAL in English, you can get the same in French, but the ICAL will change to IQUE in French. Okay. Finally, if you have noun ending with ENCE in English, you can get the same noun in French. Okay. So what do you need to understand from this? It's just a guideline. Okay. But we can have some exception to this one. Okay. So this is it for today's class. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci. Au revoir.